We often hear the word metabolism tossed around, but what does it actually mean? Simply put, it's your body's system for converting food into energy. Think of it as your internal engine, constantly working to keep you running. When your metabolic health is in tip-top shape, your body hums along smoothly. You have steady energy levels and a lower risk for chronic diseases. Just like a car needs maintenance, your metabolic health thrives on healthy habits. By making simple lifestyle changes, you can optimize your metabolism. Get ready to take charge of your health. Metabolic health isn't just about fitting into your favorite genes, although that's definitely a bonus. It has a ripple effect, influencing various aspects of your overall health and well-being. When your metabolism is functioning optimally, you'll notice positive changes in several areas. Firstly, you'll experience a boost in energy levels throughout the day. Tired of feeling sluggish? A healthy metabolism ensures your body efficiently converts food into fuel, keeping you energized and ready to tackle your daily activities. Moreover, maintaining a healthy metabolism is crucial for managing your weight. When your metabolism is running smoothly, you burn calories more efficiently, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight or even shed those extra pounds. But it doesn't stop there. Good metabolic health is also linked to improved mood, sharper cognitive function, and better sleep quality. By prioritizing your metabolic health, you're investing in a brighter, more fulfilling life. Ready to give your metabolism a boost? The good news is that you don't need drastic measures. Small, sustainable changes can make a world of difference. Let's explore some practical tips to fuel your metabolism and enhance your overall well-being. First and foremost, focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods. Think fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-rich foods provide your body with the vitamins, minerals, and fiber it needs to function optimally. Next up, get moving. Regular physical activity is like a magic potion for your metabolism. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's brisk walking, dancing, swimming, or cycling. Remember, consistency is key. Don't expect overnight miracles. Embrace these healthy habits as part of your lifestyle, and you'll reap the long-term benefits of a well-functioning metabolism. Staying motivated. Your journey to optimal well-being. Improving your metabolic health is fantastic, but staying motivated can be a challenge. Life gets busy, temptations arise, and it's easy to fall off track. With the right strategies, you can stay focused and achieve your health goals. Set realistic and achievable goals. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Find an accountability buddy or join a supportive community. Sharing your journey provides encouragement and motivation. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Remember, progress, not perfection, is the key. Don't beat yourself up if you have an off day. Every day is a new opportunity to make healthy choices. Focus on the positive changes and celebrate your commitment to a healthier you. Section 5. The Power of Prevention. Metabolic Health and Long-Term Wellness. Prevention is better than cure, especially for metabolic health. Prioritizing metabolic well-being today safeguards your future. It reduces the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Many conditions are preventable through lifestyle changes. Adopt healthy habits now for a longer, vibrant life. Enjoy more energy and quality time with loved ones. It's never too early or late to prioritize metabolic health. Section 6. Your health, your future. Take charge today. Your metabolic health is a cornerstone of your overall well-being. It impacts your energy levels, weight management, risk of chronic diseases, and so much more. The empowering truth is that you have the power to influence your metabolic health through your daily choices. Embrace a holistic approach to health by nourishing your body with wholesome foods, staying active, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and cultivating a positive mindset. Remember, small, sustainable changes add up to big results over time. Don't let the journey overwhelm you. Start with one small step at a time. Celebrate your successes and be kind to yourself along the way. Your health is a precious gift, and it's time to prioritize it like never before. Take charge of your metabolic health today and unlock a future filled with vitality, energy, and well-being.